Hello students, today we are further going to discuss one more type of the linear equation, that is absolute value linear equation. Absolute value equation mean the equation that has the absolute value. Absolute value mean that equation has the two possible solutions. Mean if any real number is a and if a positive a, so that is greater than equals to 0, and if negative a, so that is less than 0, mean negative. So always absolute value equation has two solutions here. As you can see in exercise 7.2 part 1, this equation 3x minus 5, this symbol is called absolute value symbol, equals to 4. So absolute 3x minus 5 equals to 4. दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू लीनियर इक्वेशन, और इस इक्वेशन में हमारे पास कितने वेरिएबल जो है वो x है, और लीनियर इक्वेशन दिस इज लीनियर बिकॉज द पावर ऑफ x इज 1. ठीक है, और यहाँ पर इस लीनियर इक्वेशन में सबसे पहले हमने एब्सोल्यूट रिमूव करना होता है एज इन द रेडिकल इक्वेशन. सबसे पहले हम रेडिकल रिमूव करते हैं और उसको सिंपल लीनियर इक्वेशन बना के सॉल्व करते हैं. सेम लाइक दिस, इस इक्वेशन को हमने सिंपल लीनियर इक्वेशन बनाना है और फिर सॉल्व करना है. बट एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन, ऑल द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इक्वेशंस हैव टू सॉल्यूशंस. ठीक है, तो इसके टू सॉल्यूशंस क्या बनेंगे? एक हम इसको लिखेंगे 3x minus 5 equals to plus 4, and 3x minus 5 equals to minus 4. You should know this by the definition that always the absolute value has two solution. Absolute value equations के हमेशा दो solution होते हैं. ठीक है, as इसको हम solve करेंगे. ये simple linear equations है हमारे पास. 3x equals to plus 4, minus 5 on the other side is plus 5. 3x equals to 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 is multiplied with x. On the other side this will be divided. So the value of x is here 3 times 9. So x has the first value 3. Okay, the second equation 3x equals to minus 4. On the left side of equal there is minus 5. Now that will be on the right side plus 5. Then 3x equals to minus plus minus. When it will be minus, it will be 1. Sign will be of greater value plus. And with x, 3 is multiplied. On the other side this will be divided. So the other value of x will be 1 by 3. Okay, now we'll have to check this. चेक हम कैसे करते हैं? एज दे आर द करेक्ट सोल्यूशन ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू और नॉट. सबसे पहले हम पुट करेंगे x इक्वल्स टू 3 इन दिस इक्वेशन. 3x minus 5 equals to 4. 3 in place of x we will put 3. Then minus 5 equals to 4. 3 times 9 minus 5, absolute equals to 0. Absolute 9 minus 5 is 4. Absolute equals to 4, and absolute of the positive number is positive. So 4 equals to 4. This is true. It means this solution x equals to 3. That is the correct solution. अब इसी तरह हम second value को put करेंगे. x equals to 1 by 3. Absolute value equation हमारे पास है 3x minus 5 equals to 4. ठीक है, इसमें अब हम क्या करेंगे? 3 in place of x I am going to put 1 by 3. Then minus 5 equals to 4. This 3 is in the numerator, denominator cancel. 1 minus 1 minus 5. 5 is the greater term. So इसके साथ minus है तो आंसर के साथ minus आएगा. Minus absolute minus 4 equals to 4. Absolute of minus 4 that is 4. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास पॉजिटिव नंबर हो, पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर हो, तो उसका एब्सोल्यूट ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, और नेगेटिव का एब्सोल्यूट भी क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव होता है. तो 4 equals to 4. This is also true. The both sides are equal. It means this is true. So at the end, same like the previous, we will have to write the statement over here. On checking, we see that both x equals to 3 and 1 by 3 satisfy the equation. So solution set हम उसका लिखेंगे उसी तरह से. Both x equals to 3 and 1 by 3 satisfy equation, original equation. So the solution set is 3 and 1 by 3. Let's suppose अगर इसमें से कोई वैल्यू x की सेटिस्फाई नहीं करती इक्वेशन, कोई ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल नहीं आती, तो we will write at the end that x equals to 3 does not satisfy the equation, so it is not the solution of the equation. In the same way, we will solve any other part. 3 is also the same one. Second, fourth, I think so we should try here. Now it's part 4. You can see that there is the absolute on both sides. So in the same way, this equation has the two solutions now, as 3 plus 2x equals to plus 6x minus 7, and the second one is 3 plus 2x equals to minus into 6x minus 7. You can see here that I have put the bracket here because here are the two terms on the right side. अगर हमारे पास एक ही terms हो like the previous question, तो अगर हम ब्रैकेट में ना भी लिखें इसको तो there is no issue. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पर आप ब्रैकेट नहीं लगाएंगे तो there will be the issue. ठीक है, तो आपने जब भी हमारे पास 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा terms हों तो आपने यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट मस्ट लगानी है while writing this in the form of the two solutions. Okay, now we are going to solve in the same way. 3 plus 2x equals to, open the bracket, 6x minus 7. Okay, 2x plus 6 on the other side is minus 6 equals to minus 7 plus 3 on the other side is minus 3. Plus minus minus, it will be 4x. Sign will be of the greater term, that is 6. It has minus. Equals to minus minus is plus. Sign will be of the greater term, that is minus with 7. Both minus are cancelled here. So 4 is multiplied here. Now on the other side this will be divided. 10 divided by 4. When this will be cancelled, it will give us 2 5 times 10s, 2 2 times 4. So the value of x is here 5 by 2. Now I am going to solve its second equation. Second solution is here. That is 3 plus 2x equals to minus 6x minus minus plus 7. Okay, 2x plus 2x, the variable terms I will write on the left side. Minus 6x here will be plus 6x equals to plus 7, and plus 3 in this side will be minus 3. 2 plus 6, that is 8, because plus plus will give us plus. Plus minus minus, 7 minus 3 will be 4. Sign will be of plus, that we can write or not, there is no issue. Okay, 8 is multiplied here. On the other side this will be divided. 4 divided by 8. When this will be cancelled by 4, 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8. So here the second value of x is 1 by 2. So we have the two solutions. One gives us 5 by 2 and the other gives us 1 by 2. Now we are going to check for this. How we are going to check that? Term by term we are going to put both the values. Okay, first I will put 5 by 2 in this given equation. First is 3, then plus 2. In place of x, what I am going to put? 5 by 2 equals to 6. In place of x, 5 by 2 and then minus 7. Okay, this is now 3. This 2 is cancelled by 2. 3 plus 5 equals to, this 2 is cancelled by 6 to 3 times 6. 3 5 times 15 minus 7. 3 plus 5, that is absolute 8, equals to absolute 5. 15 minus 7 is absolute 8. Absolute of 8, positive 8 is 8. Here is also 8. So this is the true. Now we are going to do the second check for 1 by 2, that we will put in the same equation. I can draw here the line. The first one 3 plus 2, in place of x I will put 1 by 2. Absolute equals to, there is 6, in place of x, that is 1 by 2, minus 7, absolute. Okay, 2 is cancelled by 2. 3 plus 1. 2 is cancelled by 3. 2 4 times, sorry, 2 3 times 6. 3 1 times 3, minus 7. 3 plus 1 is absolute 4, equals to 3 minus 7 minus absolute minus 4. Absolute of plus 4 is 4. Absolute of minus 4 is 4. This is also true because they both are equal. It means both values 5 by 2 and 1 by 2, they satisfy the original equation x equals to 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. Satisfy equation. So our solution set is 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. We have the two solutions here in the same way. Okay, the next part here. Part number 5, you can see on both sides again there is a absolute, but along with the other constant terms here. ठीक है, एब्सोल्यूट के साथ हमारे पास ये कांस्टेंट टर्म्स भी है 5 और इधर -3. अब हम क्या करेंगे, आप देख सकते हैं कि दोनों एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू बिल्कुल सेम है x प्लस 2. जैसा कि हमारे पास x एक तरफ होता है, उधर भी x होता है, तो हम x दोनों एक तरफ ले आते हैं, तो उनको ऐड करके 2x लिख लेते हैं. तो सेम लाइक दिस हम क्या करेंगे कि इस एब्सोल्यूट के साथ राइट वाले एब्सोल्यूट को भी इधर ले आएंगे. ठीक है, x प्लस 2 एब्सोल्यूट, वो माइनस वाला एब्सोल्यूट भी इधर आ जाएगा प्लस, दिस इज x प्लस 2 इक्वल्स टू कांस्टेंट टर्म इधर लिख ले 5 और ये -3 उधर जाएगा तो दैट विल बी प्लस. ये माइनस था राइट साइड पे, ये एब्सोल्यूट माइनस था, इधर आके ये प्लस हो गया. अब देखिए सेम लाइक दिस, जैसे आप x प्लस x करते हैं तो 2x हो जाता है. इसी तरह 1 एब्सोल्यूट दिस प्लस 1 एब्सोल्यूट दिस, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 2 एब्सोल्यूट x प्लस 2 इक्वल्स टू 8. अब ये 2 दूसरी साइड पे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एब्सोल्यूट के साथ कोई भी टर्म हो तो उसको आप दूसरी साइड पे पहले शिफ्ट करें. एब्सोल्यूट x प्लस 2 equals to 2 how many times? 4 times 8. Okay, now we will remove this absolute. ठीक है, उसी तरह से रिमूव करेंगे. This absolute has two solution, plus 4 and x plus 2 equals to -4. X equals to, this will be 4 plus 2 on the other side is -2. X equals to 2. This one x equals to -4 plus 2 on the other side is -2. So x is equals to -6. Minus minus will be plus. These are the two solutions of this given equation. But now we will have to check these. So we will erase this first. Okay, now we are going to check this. We are having the two values of x, 2 and -6. First we will put here 2. In place of x we can write 2, then plus 2, absolute -3 equals to 5 minus absolute 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. minus 3 equals to 5 minus absolute 2 plus 2 is 4. Absolute of 4 is 4 minus 3 equals to 5 minus absolute of 4 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is true. Second one, we are going to put minus 6 plus 2, then minus 3 equals to 5 minus absolute in place of x, so we write minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2, minus plus minus, that will be 4. Sign will be after greater term minus, absolute minus 4, minus 3 is outside, equals to 5 minus 6 plus 2, that gives us minus 4. Absolute minus 4 will give us positive 4, minus 3 equal to 5. Minus is outside, absolute of minus 4 is positive 4. 4 minus 3 is 1 equals to 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 is equals to 1. This is also true. It means both the solutions are true. They satisfy the equation. So here we write both x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 6 satisfy original equation. So the solution set is 2 and minus 6. Okay, now from last two parts, one more part will have to do part number 6. Part number 6 is 1 by 2 with absolute here is plus 21 and 1 by 2 as well. So we'll have to remove both these. First plus 21 we will shift on the right side. Nine plus 21, there is minus 21. 1 by 2 absolute x plus 3. 9 minus 21, that will give us minus 12. So 2 is divided here on the other side, this will be multiplied. It will give us minus 24. You can see here that is the absolute of negative minus 24. If such type of equation you have, such type of absolute value you have, तो this type of equation has no solution. ठीक है, अगर इस तरह से आपके पास हो absolute is equals to any negative real number, so that is having no solution. So we write here this equation, this absolute value has no solution. Same like this, from any two parts we will solve only one part there. Question number 2, part 7. 7 and 8 are almost same. So part 7 is here 3 minus 5x absolute 3 minus 5x over 4. Then minus 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. So first this minus 1 by 3, that is with the absolute, will have to shift on the right side. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम इसको उधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. It will be 2 by 3 and this minus on the other side will be plus. So 3 minus 5x over 4. This is equals to, these are two rational numbers, so we'll take their LCM. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 3 minus 5x divided by 4 equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. Both 3 are cancelled. It will be 1. Sorry, it was having absolute. I was not writing here. 3 and 3 cancel, so it will be 1. Okay, now we will remove this absolute, and in the same way this will be having two solutions. 3 minus 5x over 4 equals to plus 1 and 3 minus 5x over 4 equals to -1. Okay, this has no denominator, so 1 we can write ourselves. We can do the cross multiplication. 3 minus 5x 1 से multiply होगा 3 minus 5x. 4 will be multiplied by 1, 4. So minus 5x equals to 4 plus 3 on the other side minus 3. Minus 5x equals to 1. So 5 minus 5 इधर multiply हो रहा है, उधर जाके divide हो जाएगा, तो वो आ जाएगा x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी -1/5. यहाँ पर इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 minus 5x 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा 3 minus 5x. 4 मल्टीप्लाई होगा -1 से, तो -4 आएगा. -5x equals to -4 plus 3 here, that will be -3. -5x equals to -7. both minus are cancelled. 5 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो दूसरी साइड पे जाकर ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो दिस इज द सेकंड वैल्यू ऑफ द x. ठीक है, एक वैल्यू हमारे पास -1/5 आ गई है, दूसरी 7/5 आ गया. अब इन दोनों वैल्यूज को हमने चेक करना है. चेक करते हुए पहले हम पुट करेंगे -1/5. 3 minus 5. In place of x we will put -1/5. This is divided by 4. Outside is -1/3 equals to 2/3. ये 5 से कैंसिल. 3 minus plus 1. 3 plus 1 will be 4/4. Outside -1/3 equals to 2/3. 4 और 4 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, 1 आ जाएगा. एब्सोल्यूट 1 -1/3 equals to 1 का एब्सोल्यूट 1 -1/3 equals to 2/3. 1 -1/3 इसका एलसीएम ले लेंगे. डिनोमिनेटर 1 का कुछ भी नहीं है, तो दैट विल बी 1. 3 and 1 का एलसीएम क्या आएगा? 3. 3 divided by 1. 1 3 times 3 and 3 1 times 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 1 times 1 equals to 2/3. 3 minus 1 is 2/3 equals to 2/3. This is true. Okay. उसके बाद हम 7/5 पुट करेंगे इसी एब्सोल्यूट के अंदर. 3 minus 5 in place of x 7/5 divided by 4 minus 1/3 equals to 2/3. 5 is cancelled by 5. 3 minus 7 will give us -4/4. -1/3 equals to 2/3. Both are cancelled. This will -1 absolute. -1/3 equals to 2. -1 का absolute 1 आ जाएगा. 1 minus 1/3 equals to 2/3. इसका डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं, तो 1 and 3 का एलसीएम उसी तरह क्या आएगा? 3. 3 को 1 पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 equals to 2/3. 3 minus 1 is 2/3 equals to 2/3. This is also true. मीन कि हमारे पास ये दोनों भी इक्वल आ गई हैं. इसका मतलब है कि दोनों x की वैल्यूज सेटिस्फाई करती हैं इक्वेशंस को. x equals to at x equals to -1/5 and 7/5 satisfy equation. So our solution set is -1/5 and 7/5. So this was the solution of the absolute value.